走，摆地摊去。Recently, the Chinese government started allowing people to set up roadside booths or food stalls on the street on a regular basis at night. This is expected to help increase people's incomes under current situations. In this video, I will share with you 3 trending keywords related to the night economy in Chinese. First one, store business, 地摊经济. Now, let's write. 地摊经济store business. Second one, 摆地摊 run a store. 摆地摊And the third one for today, roadside booth, 路边摊路边 roadside 摊 booth 地摊经济 store business 摆地摊 run a store run a stand 路边摊 roadside booth. So my question is, what would you buy from the night market store? Let me know in the comment. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.